piju, nama je u 30 i za 10 minuta, je li tako?
Nama u 30 minuta. Evo ja sam pripremio sve osim performanse, sigurno da nemamo loptice.
Dobro.
Znači avion je ispravan. Evo podurica alternacija, 66 total, post index 15, flight level 390. Preliminarna težina je 55,5. Sad kaže imamo minus 200 g. Baggage to whisky je departure standardno, to smo dobili preko PDC-a.
Dobro.
Baggage to whisky standardno, znači kaže after departure when instructed contact 125955. Imamo ovaj constraint 210 u zaokretu, čak i u slučaju da nam daju direct, tako da je to uneto u performance page. Minimalno svetoska 4,5, inicijalnom sekundu i 250 euro isto flight levela 100. Initial flight clearance je 5000. Pita za GPU.
Može.
Ok, znači ovdje kaže Ploten druga milja, zatim Zurich 552, Zulu Hotel 552, to je 6,5 milja, pa zatim idemo u treku 052 11 milja na Ploten, pa trek 0585 milja Momo. Vidimo ovdje gdje. Momo ide flight level 80, pa Kolu, pa Zulu Hotel 504, 525 i Davis. Radna Ploten sam ostavio na dvojici, a na Kecu Autotune.
Ok.
Progress page, track piste 1.4, GPS primary accuracy high. Secondary flight plan uneta je ova contingency procedura,
dobro.
Znači na drugoj milji interceptamo 270 radial do 15 milje i onda GPOL, tačnije GPOL, kako se kaže, holding tu.
Dobro.
To, progress page, to što rekao, track piste 1.4, GPS primary accuracy high i performance, evo 2904,5 i engine out acceleration je 4000, a brzine još nisam
Dobro.
s obzirom da čekamo ovo.
Dobro. Emergency briefing istik u Beogradu. Daj mi samo taj email, molim te da slikam ovaj stranicu upravo.
Hvala.
Dobro. Evo, izvoli, možda vratiš.
Važi.
Dobro, preliminarno si uzeo, znači 2.8 stazu.
Da, 2.8 staza. Vetar lećni, stavio sam ovo tailwind, ovo relative pa tailwind. To je gore ovo relative.
Dobro, znam, samo kaži koliko.
3 čvora.
3. Temperatura?
Temperatura 0.
Dobro.
To je high 10-15. Runway condition wet sam stavio.
Dobro. Anti-ice?
Engine only.
Only, dobro.
55,1 je prelo.
55.1 dan. Hvala.
Evo ga, lopši. Ja sam dobio 28.
Sad ćemo da računamo ponovo za ovo.
Jeste malo na margini.
Okay. This is the technician and the fuel receipt. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. Mogu vrata Jero i ja se javljam za minut.
Zatvaram vrata.
Da, i ja se javljam za minut. 47.2 kroz 29.5. Dobro. Što mu dođe 53.300, 53.300, modify 533.
5.3, tako važi.
I evo ti performance, pa ću ja posle da performance 0.5 up. Evo,
Važi.
ja se njima javljam, a ti uradi. Dame i gospodo, poštovani putnici, dobar dan i dobrodošli na Airbus 319 Air Srbije, na naš današnji let između Ciriha i Beograda. Zamolio bih vas za malo pažnje, govorim kapetan aviona. Moje ime je... Danas su posadi sa mnom je moj kolega, prvi oficir kopilot na posadi Air Srbijom. Ja želimo srdačnu dobrodošlicu uz par kratkih informacija u vezi našeg leta. Let od Ciriha do Beograda će trebati 1 sat 25 minuta, lećemo našom standardnom rutom uz prijatno lepo vreme, startovanje motora očekujemo na vreme, na bazi posljednjih meteo podataka iz Beograda, vreme je delimično oblačno, vetar je slab severozapadni, a temperatura je trenutno 5 stepeni. Ja vam se zahvaljujem na pažnji, u ime cele posade vam želim prijatan let. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, this is your captain speaking on behalf of my crew. I wish you very welcome aboard Airbus 319 Air Serbia on our flight from Zurich to Belgrade Airport, Nikola Tesla. Flight time today will be approximately 1 hour 25 minutes and the weather on our road will be mostly sunny and nice for flying. Also, we are expecting start up on time and according last weather report from Belgrade, weather is partly cloudy, wind blowing from northwest up to 10 knots, temperature is plus 5 degrees centigrade. Thank you for attention and the wish you a flight. Yes sir, good morning. Yes sir, good morning.
Also, good morning. So on the ground everything looks good, steering pin is set and all doors are closed.
Okay, thank you. Parking brake is set to park and you may leave the plane, please.
Perfect, thank you.
Zero fuel weight confirmation, zero fuel weight CG.
Kaže ovako, zero fuel weight je 47,2.
Jeste, zero fuel
CG 29,5.
Jeste.
Low fuel 6,3.
Jeste.
Take off weight 53,3.
Jeste.
Landing weight 50,1.
Jeste.
IHS JAF 0,5.
Jeste.
28,23 otprilike.
28,5.
28,5,
Dobro.
okej.
Znači težina u tom slučaju je 53 i 300.
Ja sam stavio da flex bude 66, da margina je 200, može malo veći flex, pošto ovako dobije 1.
Kako ti kažeš?
Šta ti misliš? To je...
Da, dobro, kako ti kažeš toga flex modify.
Možemo i neki veći malo.
6, kako god hoćeš. 6, 119, 19, 24, margina je u tom slučaju 227, a green dot 192.
Slažem se, evo šta.
Dobro. Ok, možda se javiš ako ti nije teško za start-up pushback.
Bravo, 3-1, fully ready.
Serbia 66 Hotel, delivery, hello, Roger for startup standby 121.755 for apron blank.
121.755 Air Serbia 66 Hotel, thank you, bye-bye.
Answer 2999 Victor Alpha Silver.
Paper, hello, Air Serbia 66 Hotel, stand Bravo 3-1, ready for push start.
Serbia 66 Hotel, apron, hello, startup and pushback booked.
Ok,
Push start approved, Air Serbia 66 Hotel.
before start checklist.
Kaže ovako.
Swiss 299 Victor, apron great, startup and pushback approved.
Configuration.
Completed.
Gear base coverage.
Removed.
2999 Victor.
Signs.
Auto and on.
Others.
3 times navigation checked.
Fuel quantity.
6360 kg checked.
Take off data.
Set.
Bar reference.
QNH1015 set. Below line.
Windows doors.
Closed.
Closed. Beacon.
Is on.
Thrust levers.
Idle.
Parking
Set
brake.
to park.
Before start checklist.
Ground cockpit.
Go ahead, sir.
Okay, so we are fully ready. We have clearance for start and push. If you are ready, can I release the brakes?
Perfect, of course, you may release brakes.
Brake released. You may start with push and call me when we are clear to start engine. Start sequence will be 2 by 1.
Roger, so then during the push you may start the engines, both are clear.
Thank you, sir. After start the pushback, we will start engine 2.
Number 2 first.
Dobro. Start gauge number 2. Blink is on. Blink pressure checked. 20. Too early, but starting gauge number 2. set to park, and engine slowly stabilize, starting engine 1 now.
I'm on tip.
Starting engine 1. We are now finished with the engine start. Both engines is okay. You may remove the steering pin and disconnect. We are waiting you on the right side with pin. Thank you very much, sir, and goodbye.
Perfect. Then I wish you good flight. And I blir good for the take from the right side, yes.
Goodbye, thanks. After start checklist.
Kaže, anti-ice,
Off, off.
nikam status,
Check.
tip trim,
28.4.
radar trim,
0.
under start checklist opet. Da vidimo gdje je on.
Ne, sad će ovdje.
Evo ga,
Ja,
pokazuje
može
pin.
taxi, yes.
Ok. Serbia 6 Hotel, ready for taxi.
Serbia 66 Hotel, taxi via Foxtrot and Alpha to holding position Alpha 2.
Alpha 2 je Serbia 6 Hotel.
Left side is clear.
Right side clear.
Flight controls checked.
Pull up. Pull down.
Cape, enable 214 Delta, ready to taxi.
Enemy 214 Delta, hold position, call it back.
No.
Radar checked.
Holding position, enable 214 Delta.
Pull right. No. My side. Evo radi. Za sad ću off pa ćemo poslije na line upu.
Brakes.
Ok. Pressure 0. Open your seat. Sluša ga. Važi, hvala.
Midway 214 Delta, behind you Serbia on your right, taxi via Foxtrot and Alpha to Alpha 2.
Behind Air Serbia,
Check
Air
right side.
Serbia, taxiing to 28 Foxtrot Alpha, Alpha 2, enable 214 Delta.
Section 498 Golf, April North, order with the troops, confirm parking sector 1.
Started approved and we are...
Može before takeoff checklist.
Kaže, flight control.
Checked.
Check. Flight instruments.
Also checked.
Check. Breathing.
Confirm. Config 1 plus F.
Config 1 plus F. Even rotation is to flex.
119, 119, 124, flex 66, set.
119 i flex 66. ATC.
Set.
ICA memo.
Takeoff, no blue light.
Down the line.
Čekaj, set.
Ajde.
Serbia 66 Hotel, stand by tower, 18 decimal, bound, goodbye.
Daju ono nekla, Air Serbia 6. Thank you, bye-bye.
Serbia 66 Hotel, direct tower, line up and pass, wait, kilometer 8.
Below tower, Air Serbia 6 Hotel, line up and wait, runway 28.
Below line.
Kevin Cruz is very much. Kaže, take off runway.
28 full length.
Doing full and front. Cabin crew.
Advised.
Tikas.
TARA.
Engine mode selector.
Normal
Tex.
is on.
Before takeoff checklist.
Alfa 1,
Evo ga.
check. India Zulu Whiskey 109.75 za runway 28, check.
Ček, također. Desno.
Left, here. Runway 28, check.
Ček. Duple engine on yes.
Izvoli.
Ovdje, dobro.
Park brake set to park.
Number 2 morning, Oscar Echo Delta from Bravo, only short runway 28.
Call again, Oscar Echo Hotel Uniform Bravo Tower, hold short of runway 28 for reporting traffic.
All short runway 28.
Eurocat 202, contact April 11855, discount.
Up to 185, sure.
Serbia 66 Hotel, wind calm, RVR 450 meters, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Čuo si preko 450, prema tome možeš ti da polećeš.
Line up and wait.
Clearance received, you have controls, možeš to da zloniš, ok.
Take off.
Take off, trust second. Positive climb.
Yeah. No, 8 meters.
Check.
Serbia 66 Hotel, contact departure. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, thanks, Serbia 66 Hotel. Departure, good morning from Serbia 66 Hotel, Vegas to Whiskey 3000.
Serbia 66 Hotel departure, hello, identified, climb the flight level 120.
Climb level 120 is Serbia 66 Hotel. 12,000 check.
That's fine, but with us.
Engine anti-ice is off.
Check. Fine.
Check.
Euro 20 Echo, this is Serbia
2020 Echo, Roger, number 2, contact tower 118.1, goodbye.
Tower 118.1, bye-bye.
Serbia 66 Hotel, 0 left, Vegas.
Left to Vegas, Serbia 66 Hotel. Set.
On the clock, 0.
Speed check.
Evo ako ću heading pa možda jako sporo.
Departure grid stabilize 214 Delta, 2,800 for 5,000. Serbia 1 for Delta, departure, hello, identified, climb 6,000 feet.
Climbing 6,000, stabilize 21 for Delta.
Set standard.
Standard set, passing level 75. Now,
Check, no difference. After takeoff, I'm checklist.
after takeoff.
Serbia 66 Hotel, contact radar 133.905, goodbye.
33905, goodbye, Serbia 66 Hotel.
Louis 21 for Delta, climb your flight level 9.
Swiss, good morning, Serbia 66 Hotel, rolling left and climbing level 120 inbound Degesh.
This is the 66 Hotel, this is good morning and empty flight, climb to flight level 240, after Degesh to Xebix.
Degesh then Xebix and climbing level 240, Serbia 66 Hotel.
240, I'll go with inbound Degesh now.
Landing gear,
Up,
flaps,
retracted,
fix,
on.
Swiss 299,
Final reference,
Swiss radar 120.905,
after takeoff climb checklist to complete. Clear secondary copy. Lights is off, seatbelts off. GPS primary appearance high, 390 selektovan, 395 optimum. Daj, plan.
Dobro, na vreme su bili.
This is the 66 Hotel, connect with 13 for decimal 150.
34150 goodbye, Serbia 66 Hotel.
Radar at the market, Swiss 976, well 89 flight level 1.
München, good morning, Air Serbia 66 Hotel, approaching Degesh, climbing level 240.
Number 66 Hotel, München radar identified, hello, climb flight level 31.
Climbing level 31, Air Serbia 310, Air Serbia 66 Hotel. 310, Alto.
Hello, 66 Hotel, I'm moving.
Dale Kumbek, Air Serbia 66 Hotel. Dva 5-0.
3-4 sat.
Plus 20.
Leograd, ATIS information, Oscar, X-ray Tiolet, approach, net report, 0926, runway 30 in use, taxiway Charlie closed due to construction work, transition level 110, runway and taxiway wet braking action good, wind runway 30, touchdown zone 350 degrees ignore, visibility runway 30, touchdown zone 10 kilometers, midpoint 9 kilometers, end 10 kilometers, cloud, overcast 1,500 feet, temperature 4, dew point 2, QNH, 1020 hectopascal, QFE, runway 30, 1008 hectopascal, trend, nosy, this was, Beograd, ATIS information, Oscar.
Čo?
Osam?
ATC.
Firma ATC.
Dame i gospodo, poštovani putnici, još jednom dobar dan i ispred bih zamoliti za još malo pažnje do kapetan aviona. Iskoristili bih priliku da vam do sletanja na beogradski aerodrom Nikola Tesla saopštim još nekoliko informacija interesantnih i vezanih za naš današnji let, a let se traje 1 sat 25 minuta. Danas letimo našom standardnom rutom, negdje oko 600 nautičkih milja ili 1000 km ćemo pritom preleteti, a put za nas nakon poletanja sa Zürichskog aerodroma u pravcu zapada i dostizanja bezbedne visine u levom zaokretu preko grada Züricha i aerodroma vodi u pravcu St. Galena, zatim smo južno Friedrichshafena ušli u austrijski vazdušni prostor i nastavili naš let preko Innsbrucka u pravcu Villaka i Klagenfurta, da bi nakon toga vrlo kratko ušli u severoistočni deo Slovenije. Desno od nas u pravcu leta ostale su Jesenice, Ljubljana, Novo Mesto i Kranja. Mi smo ušli u hrvatski vazdušni prostor južno od Maribora i nastavljamo naš let preko Zagreba, Siska, Slavonskog Broda i Novske u pravcu Osijeka, da bi zatim ušli u Srbiju i uputili se na beogradskom aerodromu Nikola Tesla, koji je četvrto sletanje u 11 časova i 10 minuta po lokalnom vremenu. Danas letimo na visini od 39.100 stopa, što je gotovo 12.000 metara, prosječno visinu od 3450 nautičkih milja ili preko 850 km na čas, uz uglavnom sunčano, prijatno i lepo vreme, dok je trenutno spoljna temperatura minus 47 stepeni. Na bazi posljednjeg metara podataka iz Beograda, u Beogradu je delimično oblačno vreme, vetar je slab severozapadni, a temperatura je 5 stepeni. Ja vam se zahvaljujem na pažnji i u ime cele posade vam želim prijatan let. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, good morning for flight deck. Your captain speaking. We are approaching to Belgrade Airport Nikola Tesla, and according to our standard operating procedure, I would like to give you some more information about our flight. This morning from Zürich to Belgrade Airport Nikola Tesla, this flight approximately 1 hour and 25 minutes, and we are flying down standard routing, and for this time we covered the distance of approximately 600 nautical miles or 1,000 kilometers. After departing from Zürich Airport to the west, we are climbing to safe altitude. Then, after taking left turn, we are overflying Zürich town and airport and proceeding via St. Gallen to Oysterreich, entering onto Oysterreich south of Friedrichshafen and continue via Innsbruck to Klagenfurt and Villach. After that, we are entering onto northeast part of Slovenia. On the right side, we are overflying very nearly to Jesenice, Ljubljana, Kranj and Novo Mesto. We are continuing after that and south of Maribor, entering to Croatia, overflying Zagreb and proceeding now via Novska, Sisak and Slavonski Brod to Osijek. Finally, after that, we shall enter to Serbian airspace and continue to Belgrade Airport Nikola Tesla. Expecting landing at Belgrade Airport Nikola Tesla at 10 minutes past 11 o'clock local time AM. All the time this morning we are flying at altitude 39,000 feet. It's approximately 12,000 meters with speed around 450 nautical miles per hour or 850 kilometers per hour. On our route at this altitude, weather is mostly sunny and nice for flying, and the outside temperature at the moment is minus 46 degrees centigrade. Also, according to last weather report from Belgrade, the weather is partly cloudy and blowing from northwest up to 10 knots, and the temperature is still 5 degrees centigrade. Thanks for attention, and I wish you a first time. Back on ATC.
No changes.
Dobro.
Ovdje se sad digli tu čaru, da. Na stazu 3.0, vjerojatno će biti neko vektorisanje za kraj.
Egypt Air 520, contact main radar 133, 965.
Tu Charlie 7.
Da. Evo, to je
To Charlie S307. Taxi.
199, to je.
Znači, po sletanju ti samo predlažem da aktiviraš reverse i čim ja kažem da je reverse green, vrati ga nazad da izađemo jer je Charlie zatvoren.
Ok, auto break da ostavim off.
Kako god želiš.
Može. Posvić onda off da se ne greje previše.
Može.
Rad nabuje Beograd. Beograd Space praktično 3 GPS prema reke da se kraj. Reforma Space federacije zapisa ovo što ste malo čuli bojice. Konfiguracija full auto break i off. Zagoravamo 1000 iznad terena. Sekundari copy active i težina na sletanju 50 tona, 200, malo 400 kila više.
Baš.
Ja, ovo je čudan constraint, ovo sam vidio nekoliko puta. Na Rigu ovaj constraint između flight levela 177.000, a nema ga na karti.
To je prelaz s kontrole na kontrolu samo.
Onda je on to tako računa, da. To sam vidio na nekoliko.
Descending level 150 Air Serbia 66 Hotel.
150.
Check.
A tu je ovaj 500.
Check. Dobar dan, Beograd je from Air Serbia 66 Hotel in Mauritania, descending 150, release from Zagreb.
Hotel to Bravo Echo 31, for Vistop next, descent flight level 120.
Bravo Echo 314, we stop next and descending level 120 Air Serbia 66 Hotel.
Correct, sir.
Ok, bravo,
Echo Bravo Sierra Mike Sierra, expect heading forward, right, continuing here.
Check. The flight level 120, check.
And Echo 7 Sierra Mike Sierra, now to the left, getting 340 localizer, descent 3200. Standing left, 340, descending 3200 localizer, Mike Sierra. Air Serbia 66 Hotel, continue descent to 3200 feet.
Continue down 3200 feet, Air Serbia 66 Hotel.
3200.
Check.
Stal magenta. Nastaje 3400.
Check. Svetla ćemo malo kasnije. I
Može prvo čekati.
briefing,
Confirm.
income status,
Check.
seat belts, baro reference,
10207.
QNH 1020 set, minimum
537.
533 set.
Hotel, track distance, approximately 30.
Hvala Air Serbia 66 Hotel.
3 minutes, heading forward.
Ok, hvala lepo Air Serbia 66 Hotel. Minimum smo rekli 533 set, engine mode selector,
Normal.
checklist complete. And now we start the speed to 250 Air Serbia 66 Hotel.
Thank you for cooperation.
Hvala i vama. Check.
Yes, sir, Mike descend to 4,000 feet. Descending to 5,000 feet, sir, the 49 Mike. Hey, no, sir.
Izvolite,
Cabin secure.
hvala ti 5 stepenije dole, a slećemo u 5.
Hvala.
Ajde, vidimo se. Please confirm Africa Bravo Echo 314 right to Lisa.
Next, yes, sir, 66 Hotel now, right, heading 180 vector, sir.
Okay, right, 180 Serbia 66 Hotel.
Correct, and in less than a minute expect heading to localizer.
Thank you.
Ok, može signal na top.
Prema Jadranu. Full cabin.
Evo ga. I sam. I može aktiviti cross base.
Air Serbia 66 Hotel, continue on right heading 210 for base.
Right 210 base, Air Serbia 66 Hotel.
Right heading 210. Box 1.
Speed check, let's go.
Hello. Hello. Okay, Leo.
Engine anti-ice on.
Engine anti-ice is on now.
SW 66 Hotel, turn right heading 270 to intersect localizer, clear ILS, runway 30, report set up. Hey man.
Right heading 270, clear to intercept localizer 30, probably establish Air Serbia 66 Hotel. Lock start.
Start check. Glide slow blue, Henry dual 81
Check.
plus 2. I može flaps 2.
Speed check, flaps 2.
Speed 160.
SW 49 Mike, turn left heading 030 for base, descent to 3200 feet.
Left heading 030 for base, descend to 3200 feet. Serbia 49 Mike.
Radio altimeter alive.
Check.
Alt start.
Out.
Glide start. Start.
3000 sam isto propisat.
Check. Approach Juliet Alpha and fully establish ILS 30 Air Serbia 66 Hotel.
SW 66 Hotel, Radar Contact Tower 118, decimal 1
Hvala lepo, prijatno i One Air Serbia 66 Hotel. Loren Beograd, dobar dan from Air Serbia 66 Hotel, Juliet Alpha position, full ILS established under 30.
Dobra, Air Serbia 66 Hotel, Beograd Tower, runway 30, clear to land, wind 350 degrees, several.
Clear to land 30 Air Serbia 66 Hotel.
Bilo međuvremeno glide slow i low.
Check.
Gear down.
Gear is down, trigger in is on. Speed check, flaps 3.
Flaps full and landing gears.
Speed check, flaps full. Kevin, rotate seats for arrival, please. Thank you. Cabin crew,
Advice.
auto thrust, auto brake,
Off.
ICA memo.
Landing on the
Checklist complete, landing gear system, Charlie closed.
1000.
2.7 miles to touchdown.
On propeller.
Bravo, Echo Fan Sierra Mike Sierra approaching Delta at any time, approaching traffic inside.
Roger, Echo Mike Sierra, hold short of runway, taxi Delta.
Holding short of runway, Mike Sierra.
I can't go.
500 is stable now, landing clearance once again.
Can go.
400. 300. 100 above.
Check.
Sorry, Lodon, to be a
200. The minimum.
Continue.
Sovereign Serbia 49er Mike, Belgrade Tower, runway 30, continue, let's approach wind 350 degrees 8,
100.
3 miles final.
Continue, 30, corner 3 miles final, Serbia 49er Mike.
50. 30. 20. Retard. Retard. Retard.
Spoilers. Reverse green, push, traffic.
Echo Mike Sierra, runway 30, on up the way, be ready for immediate.
Okay, control.
Serbia 66 Hotel X vacating via taxiway Bravo to the end of runway, then via Alpha Mike and Charlie 6.
Take it by Bravo, then Alpha 6 and Charlie 6, and so we are 6 Hotel Allow.
Fine. Belgrade Mike Delta Fox 401 Papa, request start up and clear off to Thessaloniki. Mike Delta Fox 401 Papa,
Over the gas dimension, yes.
Retard over down, stand by to check your flutter. Echo Mike Sierra, runway 30, clear for takeoff in 360 degrees, southbound.
Clear for takeoff runway 30, Mike Sierra.
Okay.
Mike Delta Fox 401 Papa, call me back in 15 minutes.
Retract.
Spoilers.
These are
APU.
4-0, Papa.
Radar.
off.
Take dimension.
Also on.
After landing check is complete.
Serbia 49er Mike, runway 30, clear to land, wind 360 degrees, 7 knots.
Land to land on the 30, Serbia 49er Mike.
Right side clear.
Echo Mike Sierra, contact Belgrade Radar 133.1.
331, hvala slušaja, prijatno Mike Sierra.
Također, prijetno.
APU be done.
Parking brake set to park. Engine number 2. Engine number 1. Beacon.
Start crossing, good check.
Disharmonic.
Okay.
$3,060.
Okay, magic.
leto. Proverili smo dizarmoni su svi slajdovi, seatbelts i ovo. Počne sad. Parking checklist.
Parking checklist kaže APU bleed,
APU bleed is on.
engines,
Off.
seatbelts,
Je off.
exterior lights,
Set.
fuel pumps,
Off.
parking brake and shocks,
Parking brake still set.
parking checklist completed.
Dame i gospodo, poštovani putnici, još jedno vaše kretanje iz pilotske kabine. Dobrodošli u Beograd na Beogradski aerodrom Nikola Tesla, 11 časova i 7 minuta po lokalnom vremenu, 5 stepeni spoljna temperatura, vreme je tehnično oblačno i dozvolite mi da vam se kao kapetan vode automobila.
SBA 400, Mike, Vekeć, Maja Bravo, then Maja Foxtrot to stand to Charlie 8, follow me at
Da
Fox
smo
4.
ispunili bar deo vaših očekivanja i da ćete usluge Air Srbije koristiti u budući.
Mike, Bravo,
Hvala vam
Foxtrot
pažnji,
to
prijetan
Charlie 8,
boravak
follow me
i
at Fox
nastavak
4.
putovanja i doviđenja. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, your captain from Leiden. Welcome to Belgrade Airport Nikola Tesla. At the moment is 8 minutes past 11 o'clock local time AM. Outside temperature is plus 5 degrees centigrade, and also we hope that you enjoy our flight. Thank you for flying by Air Serbia and goodbye. To bi bilo to.